Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for coming back for another one of my videos. As always, I do appreciate all the love and support. Continue to like, comment, and share these videos where you share videos. And as you can see by today's title of this video, it's another Dollar Tree haul. Yes, your girl was in somebody's Dollar Tree buying up a few things, and I thought they were very interesting enough to share with you guys. So if you want to see what I got, definitely stay tuned. So in no particular order, the first thing I got is this disinfecting spray by Home Bright. I got it in both scents, the linen scent and country scent, and it looks like this. And these are the miniature version. I did haul the linen scent in a 6 ounce. These are 2 ounces each, so super convenient for me to throw in my purse. So I grabbed up both the scents. Next, this is another item that I hauled already, but they had other colors out, so I went ahead and grabbed 2, and I grabbed 2 more caps, one in this darker khaki color, and they had black, so I definitely had to pick up the black. And this is how the back looks for the black one, and this is the back of the khaki one. So plain caps definitely will go with a lot of things that I own, so I went ahead and picked them up. Super convenient when you're having a bad hair day, just throw on a cap. So I grabbed both of those. So the next item is from the Ioni brand. This time it is their everlasting lash glue, and it just looks like this. And it's said to be 100% vegan and latex free. So if you're allergic to lash glue because of the latex, definitely check this out. I haven't tried it yet. You guys know I hauled their lashes, which I really think are some great affordable lashes. So hopefully the glue is the same. And again, it looks like this. So this next item, I've seen it a lot in Dollar Tree, but never thought to pick up anything from this line, and it's the Global Beauty Care. But I saw that they had this new pink sugar lip scrub, and it looks like this. Super cute pink, and it's a 1.7 ounce container. So definitely pick this up. This will be super cute if you're doing like Valentine's Day gifting. This will be super cute, the fact that it's pink. Moving on, another brand that I've hauled before is the Vino Positive Radiance Peel Off Mask. This time I found a new one. It's their Max Glow, and it just looks like this. It's a single-use mask, 0.35 ounces. It's said to exfoliate and even texture. I got a purple version of this, so they had this one, so I grabbed it. This next product is definitely the reason why I went ahead and tried to get back to Dollar Tree as quick as I could, because I definitely needed some backup of this. And if you don't shop at Dollar Tree is not like a typical store where they restock the same thing until like it gets discontinued or something. Dollar Tree basically brings out something, you buy it, and it may come back or it may not come back at all, and definitely depending on if it's a name brand product. So if you see something and you like it, definitely buy multiple of it, because who knows. And that is the case with this. This is a name brand product, and it's thicker, fuller hair scalp scrub, which looks like this. I hauled it on a previous Dollar Tree haul, which I will link all my Dollar Tree hauls down below if you guys are interested in watching, as well as I already did a review and demo, which should be up before this video if you guys are interested in that as well. But I'm not going to speak too much about it, but I definitely had to go back and grab me a backup of this. So again, this is the thicker, fuller hair scalp scrub. This next item is from Eco Tools, and it's their facial sponge, which looks like this. and it's said to be 100% natural vegetable fiber, naturally removes excess oils to refresh and cleanse skin. And it says soften when wet, so it just looks like this. Wanted to give this a try. Of course, it's name brand, why not? You know, it couldn't be a Dollar Tree haul if I didn't share some type of stationery item, and I got a few. And the first here is some stationery sets by Jot, and they look like this. And the stationery sets come with 2 cards, 4 letters, and 6 envelopes, and also this plastic envelope to hold it. The green one has this pretty floral print, and the black one is the light bulbs. I don't know if you'll be able to see, but I got these. Of course, I'm gonna use the letters and envelopes that's inside, but I thought the actual packaging could be reused to carry like my receipts instead of me just dumping it in my purse. Just so in case I have to return or exchange something, these will be perfect for that. This last stationery item is super cute. I definitely could not pass it up, and it's this notebook by Jot, and it's like a traveler's notebook. It has the elastic to secure it closed, and inside comes with 2 notebooks, lined paper, super cute, and it measures 4 by 5, and it's 60 sheets in here, and I thought this was super cute. I also seen 2 other prints, one floral print, and I can't quite remember the other one. I'll probably put a picture up here of the other ones, but I thought this one was the cutest, so I grabbed it. So the last few items are all storage containers. If you guys are looking for an affordable option, definitely check out your local Dollar Tree. They have a lot of variety to choose from, as well as vibrant, bright colors. But I was going for all black containers, and I was surprised to find all black containers. I think I picked all that they had left. So hopefully they restock and I can get more, because I do plan on reorganizing some cabinets in my home to get better organized for the new year. So I went ahead and grabbed some of these containers. The first one is this essentials basket, and it just looks like this. It's about the size of a shoebox in my opinion. So I went ahead and picked it up, and it also comes with a lid. It doesn't fit on securely, but that's fine. I wanted to pick up 2 more of these, but again, they were limited, and I picked up what they had. I did see these in other colors, of course, but I wanted the black ones just to keep it along the same things that I already have. So once I find another set, I'll be good to go. I plan on like using this for my masks and, you know, hair products and things like that, and I think that they will stack perfectly. And again, this is their essentials basket. These next baskets are a little bit larger than the first ones, and they don't come with a lid, and they just look like this. And this is not the Essential brand, but is Simplified Decorative Storage Tote, and the size is medium. And they're saying it's 9 by 7 by 3. So that's how it looks. This is definitely better quality than the Essentials in my opinion. This is along the lines of Sterilite. So definitely if you see this, pick this up. Hopefully they come out with different sizes than just the medium. And I got 3 of these. That's all they had at that Dollar Tree. So I should be good for now. These also don't come with a lid, but that's perfectly fine. But yeah, got these to organize some cabinets. But yeah, guys, that's the end of my haul. Thank you for watching. As always, I'll see you on the next one.